The autopsies of 25 bodies retrieved from the River Yala kicked off today with Chief Government Pathologist Johansen Oduor leading the exercise. Our families will, however, have to wait for another 2 weeks before collecting the remains of their kin, pending the consolidation of the DNA samples collected to match the bodies to their respective kin. And as our very own Laura Otieno reports, human rights defenders have called for transparency in the process to ensure justice for the victims.
The anguish of the family of 52-year-old Donosio Oteba was rife. The discovery of the body of their father, who went missing in February 2020, opening fresh wounds. This was the situation at the Yala Hospital morgue, where an autopsy for the 25 bodies retrieved from River Yala kicked off, led by Chief Government Pathologist Johansen Oduor and an independent pathologist representing human rights defenders. Families here calling for transparency in solving the misery of their relatives' deaths.
Ndugu yetu alikuwa Nairobi, tunamsubiri wakati wa Christmas nyumbani, amepotea tarehe 3. Na tunashindwa all the way from Nairobi na mwili ipatikane Yala. Kutoka kwetu Kangundo kukuja hapa Yala ni around 400 kilometers. Tunashindwa ni nani ako na hiyo uwezo.
Kila station tulikuwa tukienda tunajibiwa vile watu wanataka. Tunaambiwa vile alikuwa criminal, vile sija alikuwa anafanya kazi mbaya. Tujakataa. Mwenyezi Mungu ndio huwa anahukumu mtu.
Families submitted their DNA to assist in matching the profiles for the bodies that had begun decomposing. Activists have, however, called for the setting up of a DNA repository to expedite the identification of bodies.
We are here collectively as human rights and justice institutions to ensure veracity in this process, but also, hopefully, to investigate who was behind these killings and subsequent dumping of the bodies in River Yala.
Matokeo ya postmortem hatujapatiwa na hatujaambiwa chanzo cha kifo za ndugu yetu. Kwa hivyo sasa tunaenda nyumbani, tunangojea ripoti kutoka kwa serikali.
The autopsy results are expected to be out on Thursday and the DNA profiles released in 2 weeks before the families can take their respective bodies for burial. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV.